Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus IS250 headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cooled down for safety. You will need a new bulb, either an H11 or D4S depending on your car, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Remember to wear gloves to protect the new bulb from skin oils. To begin, open your hood and locate the headlight assembly. You'll likely need to remove some plastic clips or a 10mm bolt securing the air intake or other covers to gain better access. Gently move any obstructing components, like the air filter housing or washer fluid reservoir, out of your way to create enough room to work. Once you have clear access, twist the circular rear cover of the headlight assembly counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its release tab. Unclip the metal retaining spring holding the bulb in place, then gently pull out the old bulb. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's correctly seated. Reattach the electrical connector to the new bulb and secure it with the retaining spring. Twist the headlight cover back on clockwise until it's snug. Replace the air intake, any covers, and all clips or bolts you removed earlier. Test your new headlight to ensure it functions correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.